Hi all, welcome to Tech 2, the one-stop shop to get your dose of the latest in tech, where we would be discussing about some great smart tech products and share all the details to help you stay up to date. Today, we have a multi-purpose microwave oven by LG called the Charcoal Convection Microwave Oven. Let's check it out. First look. This black oven by LG is a stunning design with a striking floral pattern on its left that makes it really stand out. It has a metallic body with curved edges and tactile buttons on the right that are extremely durable and easy to use. It measures 30.5 cm into 49.5 cm into 51 cm and weighs 17.8 kg, making it a very appealing addition to the kitchen space. Specification. It has a capacity of 28 liters that would be perfect for a large size families and has multi-purpose functionality like baking, grilling, reheating, defrosting and cooking. It is equipped with a very unique charcoal lighting heater to help you cook delicious, fresh and juicy meals. It comes with a multi-cook tawa for easy cooking and an extensive recipe book, so you can never be bored of cooking and try a new dish every single day. The unique and strong stainless steel cavity enables better reflection, and uniform heating ensures a better and even cooking process. Performance. You can easily prepare 12 different varieties of exotic Indian rotis as well as make hygienic ghee that would make your cooking routine so much more fun and easy. Some health-conscious settings like diet fry helps you cook with minimum oil, and pasteurized milk feature helps retain nutrition and eliminate bacteria from milk. The child lock option ensures complete safety for kids and small children at home, so you can be tension-free and enjoy your cooking. It comes with 271 auto-cook menu, 175 Indian auto-cook menu and a continental menu that is such a delight for all the foodies. Reason to buy? The comfort and convenience offered by the LG microwave oven makes it the ideal kitchen accessory for everyone. So guys, if you need to add one versatile, wallet-friendly appliance in your kitchen, you cannot go wrong with a trusted brand like LG. So what are you waiting for? See you soon with some more smart products to add the much-needed tech spark into your daily lives. Hi everyone, you are tuned into Tech 2, the one-stop shop to get your dose of the latest and greatest products in tech. Like always, we would be taking you through some amazing smart tech products and share all their details to help you stay up to date and make a smart choice. Today, we have the awesome IFB microwave oven for you. So let's get on with it. First look. This innovative and attractive silver colored microwave oven is designed with a metallic sleek body to give you the best culinary experience. It comes with easy to use controls options that are sensitive to touch but easy to clean. It measures 39 cm into 45.2 cm into 26.2 cm and weighs 14.3 kg, making it a very sturdy product to use. It comes with a sensitive touch keypad and child lock facility. Specification. It has a capacity of 20 liters suitable for your entire family and can be used for baking, grilling, reheating, defrosting and cooking. This convection oven features a digital time display option to inform you about the cooking time, the power level and time at every stage of cooking process. The unique 24 auto-cook menu options enable to set the timer and carry on with your other work while the oven goes on with the process of cooking delicious food. IFB 20 liters performance. One of the critical features of this appliance is that it provides multi-stage cooking with 3 types of cooking cycles to ensure that you get high quality and hygienic food every day. The defrost feature lets you enter the weight of the food item you wish to defrost, and the oven does the rest of the work, offering immense convenience to the user. The auto reheating feature is a pre-programmed setting that saves time as well as power, making it a very desirable option. Reasons to buy. IFB Convection microwave oven has an innovative design with great features that delivers tasty food for your whole family and at the same time saves time and energy. So if you are looking for a multi-purpose product that allows you to enjoy healthy homemade meals cooked in no time and at a great price, then this option is surely worth considering. Hope you like the product, and we shall see you soon with some more tech products. Goodbye.
Hello and welcome back to Tech 2. For today's episode, we brought you a convection microwave oven that has a two-way heating for faster cooking. Panasonic 27-liter convection oven is powered by dual grills on the top and back, and they work simultaneously. The oven rapidly raises temperature at this direct heat along with an airtight seal to prevent heat escape, helps prepare food that is crispy on the outside and juicy inside. First look. The oven comes with a capacity of 27 liters and it's good for families of 4. The 900 watts oven provides enough power for fast and even cooking. The touch keypad is sensitive to touch and easy to clean. The menu comes with 101 auto cook presets, so you can cook a wide range of dishes. This countertop microwave with glass turntable is compact, allowing you to devote lost space to electronics and more to interior capacity. Performance. With auto-programmed time and modes and hassle-free defrosting, you can reheat in just few minutes. The powerful oven works great to cook meat, fish, soup and vegetables with just a press of a button. Comes with 101 presets menu options to choose from. You can prepare chef-like cuisines with the auto cook menu feature. Reason to buy. The oven comes with wide variety of pre-programmed presets and cooking time and temperature settings that will help you cook all kind of cuisines. The capacity of oven is 27 liters, which is great for a family of 4. The oven is powered by dual grills on the top and back that work simultaneously. The oven also has auto-program modes for defrosting different kinds of food items. If you are thinking of getting a convection oven for your home, you should definitely consider Panasonic 271 convection microwave. That's it for today. See you again for some more product recommendations. Goodbye.
Hello and welcome to the world of Panasonic. Let's take a quick look at the feature-packed Panasonic ST26JM FDG 20-liter solo microwave oven. The sleek and stylish design makes it easy to fit this microwave in small kitchens and on countertops. Designed to meet the quick needs of bachelors and small-sized nuclear families, this smart microwave oven from Panasonic brings the convenience of cooking, heating and defrosting to you at the touch of a button. The control panel of the microwave comes with an LED display for easy tracking of cooking and heating process. The touch keypad is super convenient to use and extremely easy to clean. The door has a soft click mechanism which opens to a wide inner cavity. This microwave oven is designed to deliver uniform and even heating, which cooks food faster without spoiling the textures and flavors. The auto reheat and auto defrost buttons makes the heating and defrosting as convenient as a simple touch of a button. The most amazing feature of this power-packed microwave is the auto cook menu. This 20-liter solo microwave oven from Panasonic comes with 51 preset recipes that save hours otherwise spent on everyday cooking. From starters to main course to desserts, the auto cook menu covers it all. It also has 9 healthy recipes preloaded to make the daily choices smarter and delicious. Another interesting feature of this microwave is this vapor clean button. You can cook whatever you like and then simply place a bowl of water and some lime and then press the vapor clean button. Your microwave will be clean, odor-free and stain-free in minutes. Isn't that amazing? Preheating, defrosting, cooking and cleaning, this smart microwave does it all. Say goodbye to cold meals and reintroduce your diet to warm, healthy and wholesome meals with the convenient, easy-to-use features of Panasonic ST26JM FDG 20-liter solo microwave oven.
Now this is a black color microwave oven from the brand Samsung and the capacity is 28 liters. Now you can do so many things in this, and the best part about this microwave oven is it comes with slimfry technology. Now if you want to try your favorite recipes like potato wedges or bread roll and everything which is generally deep fried, you can cook all that in this with very less oil. Now this microwave oven is 28 liters which makes it perfect for a big family also. Like if you have family of 6 to 8 or to 10 people, then this size is absolutely perfect for you. It comes with this various attachments, like you get these 2 grill racks to do your kebabs and pizzas and garlic breads and everything you can do on these 2 racks. That means you can do grilling also in this. Now there is this one more function in this. If you want to put your snacks and all like chicken tikka, shami kebab, soya chap and all, you can cook in this. Now there is also this glass cooking pot in which you can reheat recipes, you can bake, you want to make lasagna, pasta, you can cook all this. And then you also get a baking tray to do your cookies and brownies or pizzas, you can also do in this. Now everything is mentioned in detail in this user manual, so this comes in really handy if you want to know about the warranty, if you want to know about the cooking recipes, like it talks about the slim fry recipes, it talks about all the other recipes like your broccoli, your carrot recipes, your vegetable pizza, dokla, paneer toast, everything right from soups to starters to main course to your desserts, everything can be cooked in this Samsung 28-liter microwave oven. Now let's quickly take a look. It's really nice, very smart looking, the finish is very smart, and the interior of this microwave oven are made of ceramic which makes it very attractive, classy, premium, and also it's easy to clean also, because a lot of time it happens while doing cooking, something spills on your microwave oven, so the stains will not stay for long and the smell also will not stay for long. It has this deodorizing button in which you can use that button and then all the smell and all will disappear. Now let's quickly take a look at the control panel. Now here you can see these different buttons, like you can not only do regular baking and grilling in this, but you can also cook your rotis and naans in this. That is one great feature to have. So you can cook your rotis, you can use slim fry technology. Now there's this one interesting button for curd and dough proof. Like there are various recipes for breads, for pizza base, where you have to prepare the dough. Now dough has to be set at a right temperature, and this microwave oven lets you make the dough, ferment that dough at a particular temperature. In fact, fermentation is also used to make curd, and you can also make curd in this microwave oven. So some interesting features which are not found in the other microwave ovens. For Indian recipes you have this to defrost. For convection, that means when you use the convection mode, this microwave turns into a convection like a OTG. So that means you can do your baking, your cakes and your cookies, your brownies, muffins, all that in this mode. Plus you have this grilling mode, you have normal microwave mode, you have this timer button, this stop button and the start button. So all in all, it's a great microwave oven to have, in which not only you can reheat food, you can cook food, but you can also cook rotis and naans, and you can set curd in this, and you can use it to set dough and all. So that was it about this microwave oven MC28H5145 from the brand Samsung. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more.